I'm going to show you in this tutorial, in this Blender tutorial. Welcome, first of all, guys, to a brand new Blender tutorial, Blender 3.6, and I'm going to show you how you can make a mirror. You can create a mirror or reflection in Blender. So what you have to do first, we're going to add a plane, G on Z, S, and scale. And now what we have to do is to move this plane here around here, G to grab, and now rotate on the x-axis 90 degrees. Actually no, on the y-axis, my bad, 90 degrees, G to grab, and then move on the y-axis. And if we want, actually I'm gonna move this like this, and now the other one, which this is the mirror. I'm gonna a little bit scale this, change the scale, so S, and then on Y, and then S on Y now actually, and grab, and it should be like this. So now click on new, make sure you are in material properties and click on new, and now we have to head over to shading, and here make sure you click on this, delete this, Shift plus A, and now here we have to write in the search bar glossy, this one, connect this to the surface, and now in roughness make sure you add this to 0. This is set to 0, and now if you click here in you can also press on Z and render, and now we have the reflection. As you can see, this is the text, and this is the, you can also change the color. I don't have any color here, but as you can see now even if we add, let's say we add some light and area, and I will grab this, move this here, and if I go to power and I increase the power, you know, so I can add here some light. But anyways, there's not a tutorial, this tutorial is not about lighting, but anyways, so now, but if you click, you have to make sure this is in cycles. If it's not in cycles, let's say it's in Eevee, then you'll not see anything. But I have a fix for this, I have a workaround. So if you go back to layout here, and now what you have to do is to press Shift plus I plus A, and then here you have to Light Pro reflection plane, and then here grab the reflection plane and just scale it a little bit and rotate it on the y-axis. So rotate on the y-axis. Let's actually move first, and now rotate, move here, scale, make sure this is positioned as it should, because otherwise it will not work. I just paused the video because it would have taken too long to move this, and I would have made this video too long if I were to actually record while I was moving this reflection plane. So make sure you position the reflection plane, sorry, after, like, there's two divisions right in front of this plane. So we have this plane that we created with this plane, and then we added this reflection plane. Make sure this reflection plane is a couple of, there's some like only two. Just try to move this and it should work just fine, as you can see. And I'm in Eevee, now I'm not in Cycles. It works in Cycles as well, I showed you how. But yeah, I think it works just fine. Now my computer is not taking away, it's not flying, because if I go in the Cycles, it's my laptop actually. It's not good enough for Blender. It's not perfect. But anyways, yeah, I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.